Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the daily quest about make one blueberry jam with 2 star or above. And to complete this quest, it's actually pretty easy. First, just go to your stove and then just choose the blueberry jam recipe like this. And after that, make sure you already have the 4 blueberries like this. And then to make the blueberry jam with 2 star or above, you need amazing seasoning because this amazing seasoning is a special items that will increase your stars on your dish at least 2 stars. It will give you at least 2 stars at your dish, so you must use these items. And just checklist this amazing seasoning to add this to your cooking process to make your blueberry jam has to start. And then after that, just simply tap on start cooking like this. And okay, just like that, you can see it, your daily quest will be complete like this one, you can see it. And just keep in mind, you can get this amazing seasoning from NPC Masimo. You can buy it from him, but these items only unlocks when you reach cooking hobby level 6 like this. So make sure your cooking hobby already reach level 6 to get this amazing seasoning. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.